user won the last giveaway, but they're never online. So I can never give them the reward that they earned for winning this giveaway. So whoever that user was, I think you might want to buddy me when you can, so that I can trade you the reward that you got. But anyways, let's get to the giveaway item. So this is the giveaway item, rare feathered boots. And this time you will have a lot of time to comment down your username. And I haven't figured out a time yet. But when I do, I will make a video where I do 2 giveaways at once, where I also tell you when the time is for the first giveaway. So I'm apparently doing another giveaway, but anyways, if you haven't seen the last giveaway and you don't know what to do, comment down your username, or you can just go over here, type in my username and buddy me. If you don't want to comment down your username, I actually added that thing, but I thought of it. And my username, I will type in it right now. So you can pause the video and take a screenshot of my username if you want. So I'm saying my username right now. And also, no one really ever joins my pack, only 3 other jammers. So if you want to be an official member of this YouTube channel, you should join my pack and you should watch the video about my pack. And if you're a new jammer that just discovered this channel while they just discovered Animal Jam, you should also watch my pack tutorial. Or you can, of course, go to Zephyria Forest and watch the tutorial. Hey, someone wants to buddy me. Okay, hi, random bunny. I forgot your username. But anyways, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. And watch out for the next giveaway happening at the same time this giveaway will happen. And Lilibelle 36, please, and I mean please buddy me so I can give you that reward. Okay, goodbye.